What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today we are at the Panelo, the Panelinho festival. We call it a Panelinho, but actually, it's actually more of a Panelo than a Panelinho.
Yeah, I think so.
I think we're good. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's rewind. Kickstarting our Panelo with some rum. This is rum that Nuno gave me for my birthday or for Christmas. This is from 970 from our friends in Porto de Cruz. I thought I had to bring something for us to, kind of wake up in the morning. So this is rum that's aged in the Madeira wine cask. One of my favorites. It's pretty strong. 50, you can see there, 52.3%. We got the fire going. We got to be super vigilant because it's quite windy, so we have to make sure that we're not making too big of a fire so that we don't put anything here in jeopardy. And there's also the wood over here that we also don't want to burn down. We don't want to burn down the Panelo. It's the first time this fireplace is being used. It's a family Panelo, so I'll tell you guys in a second what a Panelo is. So I'm going to take my shots. And we're gonna get to work. Cheers.
Drink it.
That's the face, huh? Put in the face. The aguardente face.
So we're doing a Cozido today, like a Madeiran Cozido, right? We have some carrots, potatoes, cabbage, sweet potato, cabbage leaves again, chorizo, and some pork here, if you would like to see. Then we'll go everything together in a pan, and you will see the final result in a few hours.
Kids, don't try this at home. We're trying to be really careful here with the wind because the fire was a little bit dangerous. We don't want to burn the place down, basically. So luckily we've got Tiago with us, who came up with this great idea. We're trying to get this done. And I think we might just pull it off. It's our first time making a cozido. It's at least my first time making cozido portuguesa. Right, this is a famous dish in Portugal. And here in Chão da Ribeira, this is what they do during the Festa do Panelo. So this is a panela, right? I don't know why they call it Panelo. Do you know for any reason?
I have no idea.
Right, some of these guys here, they make huge pots. We'll try and get some photos or something for you guys, but they make massive pots in this tradition. So ours isn't that big, right? I'm gonna call this the Panelinho, all right? So it's the Festa do Panelinho this year, first time ever hit the road and shut up and eat. And we've got the meat cooking, and we can see there's already some steam, which is good. I was a little bit nervous about this because I've never cooked with a pot on a fire, and looks like we're doing all right. I'm gonna put a little bit more wood on the sides to see if we can get a little bit more fire. This is gonna cook for about an hour, all right, the meat itself. Then we're gonna add the sweet potato, the cabbage, and the chorizo, all right?
Potato.
Sweet potato,
Potatoes and carrots.
cabbage, and chorizo, right? So then we're gonna add all of that, and then we're gonna cook that for about what, 30 minutes? 40 minutes, until the potatoes are cooked, basically. And then it all goes onto the table. So far so good. It's 11:10 and we are on time because this was another big worry of ours to get here, to get the fire started, get everything going. So it looks like we're all on time. Everything's going 100%. So yeah, happy days.
Happy days.
Right, so these are the agricultural fields of Chão da Ribeira. I'm going to take the sunglasses off. It just feels more natural. This is an agricultural land, so this is where people farm, right? A pailero is basically an agricultural shed or a warehouse, agricultural warehouse. as you see on Idealista. But it's actually it's a shed. It's an agricultural shed where in old days, I know that my grandfather used to live in a Panelo, you know, in Caleta. My family was very, very poor, at least my grandfather was. And he used to sleep on the top, and the bottom was the cow. I heard stories that he used to drink so much that he used to sleep on the road. So my grandfather probably shares a couple of genes with me, or should I say I share genes with him. But jokes aside, this is an agricultural field. You got your agricultural plots. Like I said before, they used to have the animals at the bottom and you'd sleep on top so the animals could heat the house, all right? Very poor people that used to live in paileiros. I mean, a big difference to how we're living life nowadays as modern Madeirans. In Chão da Ribeira, they are, this is a tradition, the Panelo tradition. I heard the story that these, the kids from Seixal, I believe, and again, this is a story that I heard. I'm not, don't like take my absolute truth to this. This is a story, rural story that I heard, that the kids from Seixal, they used to rob a little bit of everything, and then they came up here to cook the lunch. So, I mean, it sounds right. I've heard stories, I've heard crazier stories from Madeira, so it sounds pretty good. And they do this, and the last weekend of January, every last weekend of January, excuse me, my throat's going dry, I need some more wine. So Chão da Ribeira is full of paleiros, all right? And this is kind of like you have to have a friend who has a friend who owns a paleiro. And right now, I'm not thinking too well yet if I should be talking about who sponsors us this paleiro or whatever. So I'll leave that to the next section because I can do that. You know, we've got Andrea here and he's just gonna like that. Check out this little bridge. I had to paint it so you could see it. So you thought, you know, if you drink too much wine, you probably can't see it because it camouflages with the rest. So you'd be like, oh yeah, no, this is just river. And then like, oh, whoa, there's actually a bridge here. Yes, let's go. I don't know, I don't want to be like filming other people's places, you know. But I'm just so curious. There was a fireplace here about 8 hours ago. Right, no Portuguese party is a party without some wine. And this is the best wine you can get in the supermarket per liter. Right, this is what we like to call the Michael Jackson Freitas. All right, that's what my brother calls it. Michael Jackson Freitas from Ermelinda. All right, this 3-liter box wine is very decent, so don't judge. You say, oh, it's box wine, it can't be any good. It's actually very good. And I think this is probably like 10, 11 bucks. Do you remember how much we paid for this? 10 bucks. Yeah, it's about 10 euros for a 3-liter wine of these in the supermarket. So little tip for you guys. And you can get the 5-liter one that's a little bit bigger as well. It's not black, it's like a yellow, which is also not bad, but I prefer smaller things that, you know, are of higher quality and pack higher, bigger punches, like my wife. Yeah, she abuses me. Hey? Yeah, but you haven't hit me in a while, I don't think. Right. This is domestic violence. Fabio's just arrived.
Yeah, go big or go home, man.
More stomachs.
Madeira style.
More stomachs to eat all the foods.
Yeah,
Hey, that's the face?
That's the face.
Whoa.
Good way to start.
Sara's a little bit camera shy,
I am.
but she's the new production manager at Pop Second.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's why she worked behind the camera.
behind the camera.
Behind the camera, exactly.
So if you guys want something done, video done, you have to speak with Sarah. That's your new name, your new Sarah. We got English names for all of our collaborators.
Andre,
Andre, Oscar,
Sarah,
Fabulous, Fabio.
Fabulous.
Eh? Bit of a fail, all right. Of course, usually the people, I saw it just last night. When I was about to go to sleep, I saw that people had these big, like, big cabbage flowers, and all the meat went on these big, beautiful cabbage flowers. It was beautiful for Instagram. And I was like, we forgot the cabbage flowers. So we got little cabbage flowers. Okay, so this is why we're calling it the panelinho. Okay, this is the panelinho. It's not Panelo. Okay, one day when we're all grown up, we'll be Panelo. But for now, it's panelinho. Okay. We do not have any records for this corven, all right? We are not showing any details of where we got this corven. We are innocent until proven guilty, okay? Just kidding, all right? Okay, we don't usually talk politics. Anyway, Panelo, let's go, panelinho. So it's time to get out of the Panelo, and we're gonna go and see what this party is all about, because there's a whole lot of cars parked everywhere, and we're gonna take something with us so we don't just arrive there and be like, hey, what's up, what's the party like? You know, we got something to contribute. Herdade de São Miguel. For some reason I thought it was gonna be Rapariga da Quinta, but I was mistaken. Anyway, the red wine is open, and we're gonna go out. We're gonna see the other paleros. We're gonna see how everyone else is doing. If everyone's enjoying the Festa do Panelo. Hey!
Everybody wants to what?
People wanna walk. Whew. Oh God.
So far, so good?
Yeah. My hair, how's my hair? Hey, listen, man, I'm not responsible for this. I'm just following the group, all right? I wanted to stay in the Panelo, but I had to go to work and interview people about their experience in Panelo and whatever. So. Starting to rain. If you can't believe it, it's actually starting to rain. And yeah, it's 6 o'clock, so it's going to be sunset soon. It's been absolutely incredible. We've gone around each little Panelo and celebrating with all the locals. This is a real local party, and all of our friends are having a good local time. Everyone's having a great time. Tiago is lost around here somewhere. Me and Andrea are here. Sara's gone to the bathroom. No, can I say that? Sara's gone to go and have another drink. Sara's gone, she's there. Sara's right here. Don't speak, because she's looking for work. That's it.
I'm
she's looking for work, eh?
Cultural enjoyment.
Yes, there we go. So we're going good. Babsek, hit the road. Madeira is doing really well.
A big family.
Big family. I'm so happy that this whole party has gone according to plan because everyone's having a great time. And now it's time to end off. So I want to get back to the Panelo as soon as we can, which I think it's really only a couple of minutes walk this way, so that we can start wrapping things up and keeping everything together so that nothing gets out of hand, because at the end of the day we're all Madeiran and this is a Madeiran party, and as we know, Madeiran parties can get out of hand, right? We're not joking around about politics right now. We can say Madeiran parties in general, cultural parties, not politics included, get out of hand. You know, it's time to go home. Ciao, forza. Time to go home like everybody else. Ciao, forza. Thank you. Yeah. And definitely time to finish this video. Ciao, forza, obrigado. It's been a fantastic video. Ciao, forza. Thanks. It's been a great video. And yeah, all the best to you guys. See you next week, André.
Let's hit the road!
Let's hit the road.
Now we get to find ourselves to the Panelo.
And now it's now the after starts, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's
The
the party, it's the pre-party, the
Where's the after?
party, now it's the after, yeah?
Yeah, the
With
after is at
the
the Panelo.
screens, after the screens. Yeah, there's an after, right? Yeah, let's check it out.
You wanna go there?
No, but I know, bro. No, we gotta get to, oh my God, look at this. This is a real party. It's like the Wild West. It's the Wild West over here. The Far West. Bem, boa tarde.
Send it off.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. See you next week. Don't do what we do what we say, huh?